Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got issue 84 of Hachette Parkworks Build the Terminator. So issue 84, what we're doing in this one is we're assembling a finger, which is the thumb, and we're also doing the wrist joint. So let me show you what we're doing. So as you can see, get the final finger, the thumb in there, and we also get the two parts for the last ball joint. So in this issue, I will be finally using for the last time the Modern Mods finger replacement joints and the replacement wrist joints as well. I'll be using that instead of what we're sending here. So what we're doing in the issue is basically just assembling the finger as we've done many times before. For those of you that haven't got the Modern Mods finger fix, I will assemble this ball joint so you can see it. So we're putting the two halves of the ball joint together, catching that with the screw, and then we can attach the thumb, attach the ball joint, and we should end up with a hand with a ball joint on it. And coming up next time, we extend the lower arm and connect it to the hand. So we've done this many times before, so let's just jump straight in and get building. Okay, so we're going to start off by assembling the finger for the very last time. So let's get started. So I've already done my Modern Mods finger parts just there. I've already done one side, so all we need to do, I can actually just line these all up, dropping them all down. That's that one. Put the two washers on. Would help. Get this one on as well. Drop that over the top. Little screw to go in the top. Adding our screw into the top just here. Tighten that up. Then we can move on to the next part. Slide that in. Two more washers. One, two. Put the next part on. Another screw. Just drop that into the hole. Get my Allen key. We can tighten this up now. There we are. Last bit to go on now. Let's get this one on. This is the fingertip end. Two more washers. One, two. Fingertip part on there. The final screw. Screw that one down. Tighten it up. That's it. So now we need to glue this fingertip on. So I'm just going to add the glue around the edge of this part here, all the way around. On the top. So then we can do the same in the actual fingertip part as well. Good slab of glue in there. Now push this on just like that. There we go. That's our final finger, finally assembled. That's our left thumb. Okay, so for those of you that are going with the Hachette ball joint, all you do is you're going to be putting these two parts together. They do fit together quite nicely, no problems at all. We've got three different types of screws with this issue, and we want the one that has the rounder head. We've got two with flat heads. We don't want them ones yet. We want the one with the round head. So we can take this one, screw that into there, and there you go. That's your ball joint. And now this will be exactly the same when you put this on. This is going to go into this hole here, lock in that. There's like a groove cut out each end, so that's going to sit on top of there. and then your other screw will go down in this hole here. So with mine, I'm not using this one, I'm using this one, which is the Model Mods replacement wrist joint, which is the same size. Only difference is that this is a solid ball joint rather than a hollow ball joint, which in time will give better durability. So I'm going to put my hollow one in there for safekeeping, just in case, because you never know. I've got my screw already on there, so I can remove that screw. And I'm going to fit this wrist joint straight on there. Now I can keep my thumb on the end of that, and then as you can see, my screw's poking out the bottom. I can just start this off by screwing the actual ball joint itself. Now I can push the ball joint, bring my screwdriver in, and I'm going to attach that onto there, nice and tight. And yeah, now I can tighten this finger back up. Okay, so now we're going to fit our thumbs. Let's take our thumb. We do have a location peg on there. It's going to help us locate this on. So that's going to go onto move that round so I can get it in better. Right, that's going to go onto there, just like so. And our screw is going to go through that hole there. So I'm just going to hold that onto there while we grab our screw, and we can secure this one down. And there we are. So there we go. That is the left hand all complete. We've now done all the fingers, so there's no more fingers to do. We've done the right and the left hand now. So next time we're going to be attaching this to the actual forearm itself. So there you go, another Terminator issue done, and now we've finished the left hand. Can't wait to have it attached onto the left arm, and then we've got the whole of the left and the right arm. So we will be having issue 85 later on this week. I'll be picking that up for the newsagents. I will be attaching the palm to the arm itself. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care.